Miss Claudia, pass. Shamaya being big, showing herself. Shamaya going up, making the layup look too easy. Trying to be big up in there, not quite completing the shot. And Miss Shamaya left out. We're gonna throw them in the midst, make it look a little nice, make it look unbiased. Miss Galva with the shot. Miss Claudia big up in the zone. Woo! Janelle down the court into Lava Girl's hands. Nicely done. She'll be back in as soon as possible to play her game. Shaquila's hook shot. Cash for gold. BNC Beverages. Nice interception by the girls. Miss Galva going all the way with the rebound, being stripped by Shama. Oh, nice in the weekend. Nice interception. Jamaya going all the way. Oh, woo! Nice rebound there. Jamaya again. Miss Shama make just yet. Woo! Foul called. Charging foul call on Miss Claudia. Shalari taking that one hard. Shaquila with the shot. Stella, dangerous. Against the Lightning squad here at the Melford Hazel Sport Hall in Sucker Garden. Ooh, Miss Galva. There's that shot again. It's Stella finishing the shot. Nice pass off. Second attempt by Sean. Taking it back. Bringing it down the court. Nice pass off. Nicely done. Nice. And that's how fast the game is. Lava Girls going up against Lightning Squad with their rematch. Stella, that game they won the last time was not by fluke. They just got max skills. Jamaya run. Woo! Ooh! Intercepted by Miss Lake. Nice pass off. Seeing each other. Chichi at the side. Oh my gosh. Miss Lake at the side. The score. Oh, stripped by Shaquila. Nice pass off. Miss Galva with the layup. Nicely finished. 21 seconds on the clock. Still anyone's game. Miss Galva bringing it down, passing it off to her partner, a teammate. Stella at the 3-point